So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video what we are going to see is HyperX Pulsefire unboxing video. So I've got it from Amazon Prime video. Amazon Prime. So we are going to unbox this little mouse. Okay, so let's start. So, as you've seen, I am unboxing it. Get out of here. You get out of here. Oh no! Okay. So, see, this is the mouse. Okay. It has in various collections. It has yellow, blue, pink, red. I think we have bought the red one, so let's open and see it. Okay, so I've seen it open it a little bit already. Oh! It's not coming out. It's really tight. It's got some. Now I think it's no use with it. Okay. So this is the HyperX Pulsefire FPS gaming mouse. Okay, gaming mouse. If you also have issues, you can contact here in hyperxgaming.com/support. Okay, as you've seen, this is the mouse, man. Come here. Okay, so you see the mouse. It's the HyperX mouse. It's too hyper, right? Okay, see, this is the mouse. It has some clicks. It's really smooth. Whoa. Whoa, man. So smooth. No, so smooth. Oh. Holy moly. Satisfying. Okay, as you can, the mouse has really cool clicks. Let's go see it in the computer, a quick good look. So guys, as you've seen the mouse, look at it, it's red color. Oh man, it's changing colors. Cool buddy. Whoa. Okay, so we're gonna do the setup, and I'll do the setup and meet you guys. So guys, as you've seen, we've done the setup. It's really awesome and cool. And okay, and guys, Shoot 'em Up is getting re-uploaded again. And I'm going to make it from the first because of some certain bugs. Let's see. It's really fast and smooth and everything. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, the Phoenix YouTubers, and please give some views for the iMovie tutorial part 2, guys. Please. I'm not got a view yet, just one view. So that's it for this video. I've given the HyperX link in the description down below. Here, I'll give you a quick look for it. So guys, this is the mouse. Okay, this is the mouse which we have ordered currently now. Please buy the mouse. Link is in the description down below. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Bye bye.